Okay, good morning guys and Happy New Year. This is just a wee video to explain what's going to be happening and to give you some starter questions for today. And then I'm just going to get you up, make sure you're up to date with the notes on similarity that we've done so far and set you some work on using the area scale factor. Alright, so what's going to happen is that you'll access your lesson on Google Classroom or Show My Homework just during your normal lesson time. So you're following your normal timetable. For the most part, it'll be a video for you to watch and complete your work in your jotter. Like the last time, then take a photo of your work and you can upload it to Google Classroom or Show My Homework, whatever is easiest for you. What's slightly different to last time is that we are going to do some live chats, drop-ins, help sessions on Google Meet. So at the moment we're going to timetable that for Thursday period 5, which for a live chat and drop-in, which means you can pop on and I will be on the other end of the computer face to face or with my screen that I can go through stuff with you, and this is your chance to get help with any of the work that you have issues with. Okay, so this is help from any of the worksheets or videos I've set you if you're doing work from the revision scheme, but please be prepared for these sessions. So you need to tell me the question number and what day it was from, just so that I can find stuff easily, and preferably you could tell me that in advance. Okay. Any other timetable lessons for maths, ask questions on the assignment comments and I will get back to you during the lesson time via chat, like I did the last time, but we're trying to limit it to lesson time so that I'm not getting back to you at 10 o'clock at night. Okay, so you can message me at 10 o'clock at night, but you won't get a reply until your lesson time the next day. So here is your starter for today. So the first thing I want you to do is just have a wee look at these, and then you're going to pause the video and have a go, and then I'll go through all of them. So if you pause the video please and have a go. Okay, question 1, changing the subject of a formula. Quite straightforward for you guys. So we're changing to k, so we're going to swap first. K minus m over t equals d times by t. So k minus m equals dt. Then we're going to add m to both sides to get k equals dt plus m. Okay, straightforward enough. If I'm going too fast, just pause me. Factorise fully. So c dt, first thing you look for is a common factor, and there's a common factor of 3, which will leave you with x squared minus 16. You hopefully then notice that that's a d, a difference of 2 squares, so that's x minus 4, x plus 4, or you can have them the other way around. Last question, slightly trickier. So first of all, you need to rearrange this. You've got 2 tan x, you're going to be taking away 5, so that equals minus 9. Tan x equals minus 9 over 5. Now if I want to find x, remember I always take the positive, even if that part's negative. I take the positive to find the acute angle, and you obviously do this on your calculator. So shift tan of 9 over 5, and that gives you 60.9. Now draw my cast diagram, and I can look at tan x and see that it is negative. So tan is positive here and here, so it's going to be negative in S and C. So you've got 180 minus plus 360 minus. So to find each value, I'm going to use my 60.9. So to find it in S, I'm doing 180 minus 60.9. And to find it in C, I'm doing 360 minus 60.9. Alright, so you'll get 2 answers there, which is 119.05, so 0.1, and 360 minus 60.9 is 299.1. And that's your 2 answers for those. Okay, you now have a video to watch on that's just me going through it and completing the notes. I apologise, the sound hasn't worked on the video, but the notes, you should have all those notes up to date as far as I've done anyway. So just have a wee scan through it, and if it's not all up to date, then fill in anything that needs updated, and then you've got some practice to do on area scale factor. Message me if you have any issues.